So how do you approve a request to install app on the iPhone? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if there are some problems with installing apps on the iPhone, it could be caused by the restrictions being in place. Because when you go to the screen time settings menu within your settings app, you can find content and privacy restrictions. And if that's turned on generally, then there might be something going on because you can check out the app installation and purchases, and literally the App Store may not be allowed, or installing apps in general might be clicked or selected to don't allow, in which case it's pretty self-explanatory that it wouldn't really help out a lot, right? So that would be one thing. Also, outside of that, there are like general Apple account settings, which are at the top of your main settings page. So you need to make sure that you have your profile here, that you are signed in with your Apple ID. And of course, like your payment and shipping and all of that is like set up, because that's also very important for paid apps and subscriptions. So it should be set up that way to make sure it works out well for you. Now, let me know if there is something very specific that you came across as an issue while installing apps, or what exactly you need to approve of. So perhaps I'll make an updated video about that only. So thanks a lot for watching. We'll definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.